to New York City. I'm holding y'all down. From New York all across the world. Yeah.
I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel. I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel.
What happened to rebels that broke rules? Now all of a sudden it's cool to be cool. Everybody all lost in the groove. That's a size too big, don't get lost in them shoes. Walk around frontin' in a fly-ass suit. You ain't buy that suit, that's a lie, that's cute. Jumping out of planes with no parachute. You should've thought about the shit I had, now poof. Life only gives you one chance to be right, so be up with the cool or down with the fight. I ain't trying to influence you at all, but even Wall Street's wall fell victim to a fall. And I'ma hit you with the facts, and I just may lose you in this rap. But pay attention, try not to fall off track. The bottom line is the rebel is back. Let's go.
I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel. I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel.
Like life ain't never fair. You turn around and life ain't never there. Is it all hopeless? Does anyone ever care? Who's gonna bring change when a rebel is so rare? It's sorta like trying to find a pebble in the desert and the ending is near. You ain't got a second to spare. It seems someone out there is testing your fears, so you say fuck it, it's time to throw the rebel in gear. So you walk around boxing mad at the whole globe and every planet around it. People just don't know the situation at home. Your boss won't throw you a bone. On top of that, you gotta pay for your loans. You try to stay calm, but you're all in a zone. The rebel inside you won't leave it alone. It's like you found a key to the door, but it's time for your heart to explore. The rebel.
I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel. I could feel it building up. Something's changing in my blood. Waiting for the takeover, the birth of a rebel.
Can't stop me, can't touch me.
The birth of a rebel.
Can't stop me, can't touch me.
The birth of a rebel.
Can't stop me, can't touch me.
The birth of a rebel.
Can't stop me, can't touch me.
The birth of a rebel.
If it don't kill you, it make you diesel. And if it ain't good, then it make you evil. Don't act like a mobster, that act is see-through. He'll dump you in the water, turn you into seafood. Be a real rebel so you give birth to rebels. The type to make the earth tremble and raise the alert level. Sick of these Hollywood Burt Reynolds actors. I'ma saran wrap him like it was a new fashion. Oh my God, he's at it again. And he's the real deal, he ain't gotta pretend. Damn right, I'm determined to win. I took my pride out the game and put my attitude in.